Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one WhatsApp app. This means you're going to be using two numbers in one WhatsApp app. Okay, so but before I go ahead, I would like to ask that you kindly hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so you always be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video like this. And don't forget to like so more people can benefit from this video. Okay, so first you need to make sure you have an internet connection and then click at the three dots by the top right corner. Okay, so here you click on settings, then tap at the drop down by the top right corner, and here you can see add account. Just tap on add account. Okay, click on agree and continue, and then put in your phone number, the new phone number you want to add to your WhatsApp account. Okay, you have to choose your country and then add your phone number. My country is there already, so I'll just add my phone number and go ahead. So here I will need to confirm my phone number to make sure that the phone number I put in here is correct. So I'll go ahead to click on yes and continue. If you check yours is not correct, you just click on edit and edit your number to make sure that your phone number is correct. Okay. Alright, so here WhatsApp is going to verify my phone number. I'm going to give them access to give me a phone call. So after that, I receive a phone call from WhatsApp because the phone number is in my other phone. So they gave me a phone call to verify my phone number to make sure it's active. Okay, so after this part, they're going to be sending me a code on the same line to make sure that everything is active. Okay, so they have sent me my verification code. I'll go ahead to input my verification code to verify my number. Okay, so its verification is completed. So I'm going to go ahead to edit my profile if I want to. Then you're going to put in your name and your picture, and then okay, you can see adding account. Your account is being added to your WhatsApp. Okay, you can see right here my accounts have been added to my WhatsApp. So I'm going to go back to check this. See, they have given me option to switch accounts at the top right there. So I'm going to go ahead to go back to the main menu for you to see how to switch into your account. To switch in between your accounts, you just have to come to the main menu like this and then click at the three dots by the top right corner and click on settings. Here you can click on the drop down again and then you can switch in between your accounts. Whichever one you want to log into, you just have to tap on it and you're good to go. Okay, if you find this video helpful, subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and also hit the bell icon so you will always be the first to be notified each time I upload an interesting video like this. Don't forget to hit the like button so more people can benefit from this video. Okay, see you in my next video guys. Goodbye.